Line up side by side, you idiot. Line up side by side, you idiots. I gotta inspect. Okay, Dragon Eye. Alright, guys, welcome back to another Randbox video. Today, we're playing another story game. Break-in story. Okay, this is highly requested from you guys. We're probably gonna beat it in one take, because we're that good. Oh, us!
Oh
us,
my gosh.
us. Vito. But dude, now she's gathering a bunch of kids. She's actually kidnapping all of us right now for her sweet shop.
Oh, she went in this one. Do we go?
It's like,
Oh
she
no!
abandoned us. No!
She left us! No!
Alright, we gotta go on the other one. Other one. Hurry up, Sasa. Okay.
Okay.
You got on just in time, girl.
You're adopted.
Wait, but we're both adopted.
Yes, but I'm cooler than you.
Just stay out of the house. Don't come in.
No!
Stay out. No one wants you in here. Okay, you gotta grab snacks. Snacks.
Do you
All of
see
mine.
how cute I am though? Can you appreciate the fact how cute my character is as a baby? Wait, I have
I want to cut your head off right now and put it in this oven right here.
I'm not even gonna bother grabbing it. I always lose it during the first obby anyways. Ooh, cash money. Can't say no to that.
Nighttime. This will be the scariest game you have ever played in your life.
Pizza? Pizza!
I know it's pizza.
Can we get pizza later?
Guys, I just want you to know what time it is, okay? It's freaking 3 a.m. Pizza. Pizza what?
There might still be pizza. Open later. Ooh. Dude, this pizza slice is bigger than your face.
Dude, don't skip. We need the story. We need the story. Emergency broadcast. The purge is here. This is not a drill. I repeat. This is
How did you know?
I played this before. The purge
Was
has
it
begun.
fun?
Villains on the loose. Their leader, Scary Larry.
He doesn't look very scary.
What she? What was she complaining about? It's okay. Stay here. You gotta go get in the. Do you not see your name? Do you not make it in bed?
I'm in bed.
Oh, this is bad. Oh no. Uh-oh. No. You should have came. Oh shoot. No, maybe it's safer that you didn't come over. You wanna die instantly.
It's so dark in here. We're safe.
Someone attacked the room.
I protected you, Daniela.
Look what I got. This is a stop. Look. I'll give you a cookie if you give me that board.
How did I give you the board?
Give
Here.
me the board
take it.
and I will give you the cookie.
Oh, I gave it to you.
No,
It
you
should be
didn't.
in your inventory.
No,
it
it's
should be
not.
in your
It's
inventory,
not.
yeah.
It's not.
It is in your
Stop
inventory.
lying.
I bet you it is.
See? There.
No! Did you just eat it? Well, Kelvin, here, look at this. Oh, you see the board? You have it.
No, it
You
was a pizza the whole
have
time.
it.
It was a pizza the whole time. Protecting
can't-
the cat. The cat is down here. Come and protect the cat.
Okay, I'm coming.
You did a great job. I did a great job. What job did you do? Huh?
A great job.
Trash job.
All caps in green letters.
Oh, look, it says our name. It doesn't even say your name, noob. I did the best job.
The cat's trying to escape. You can't. You're too thick, cat. You cannot go anywhere.
Here,
He's
pet it some more.
He's a thick boy. No.
Pet him
No,
some more.
no, he's a bad kitty cat.
Oh, pizza! Come, sit down, hurry! Yeah, she's already too fat. She needs to lose weight. Give it to me. No!
No, neither of us got it. Stealthy. Okay.
But you can't do what? Oh! Look, Sasa, look!
What?
Who
What?
boarded this window up?
Go to bed. No time for talking. I went into the same room as before.
No, you should have came to this one. You needed to go to the one with the adult because they're the only ones that can defend you when they break in the house and kill you.
It's just me and this other kid. Oh no.
Dude, the adult here is getting beaten brutally now. It's 2 versus 1. He's dying. We can't do anything to help.
Nothing is happening in my room.
Why are you so lucky? Dude, I got attacked twice in my sleep. Oh crap, come down, come down. He's coming up, he's coming up.
Basements are scary, dude.
He's coming up, Salsa, run!
Uh,
Hide, 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 hide.
I didn't make it.
Uh-oh. 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 In here, in the closet, stupid! Uh-oh.
Bruh.
No! Larry, no! Wait, I was joking, Larry, no! No, Larry, no! That was not even fair.
I have to go to the basement now.
I'm in the basement a lot earlier this time. I even got all my items back. Dang, man.
What? That's not fair. I always lose mine.
Don't carry that. You're gonna lose HP, noob.
No.
Are you sure?
Oh, I am. How did I let go of it? I'm clicking and it's not working. Calvin, what I do?
You might have to die. You might have to take
I
one
eat
for
an
the team.
apple. I don't have a weapon.
Well, sucks to be you.
Can I grab a tire? What does the tire do? The tire.
No, look at it.
There's one adult hiding up there.
What the heck, man? Oh my god, she was hiding and now she's also trying to steal a bed from us? Wow. What a jerk. What an irresponsible idiot. No, don't fight me, fight me for it. I got the bed. Ah! Okay, fine. At least we both got it. Okay, now we gotta go to the grocery store outside. You know what to do? Meet me at the front door,
Yeah.
girl. Ah! Come on! It's getting late. Get home. Get home now. Now I gotta go down. I gotta. Oh!
Ah, I didn't get it.
Don't think me.
What? It's the pizza delivery man. Dude, this is gonna be a brutal meeting. Salsa,
I
hurry!
need to get the pizza first.
Salsa, you're gonna die.
I like it, cut G.
Oh. Good job, GTS. Good job. Ah, wait! He's not done. He's not over yet. I got him. Nailed him.
Go to the Oh yeah, there you are.
The blue room's the only room that never gets attacked. The pink room was attacked last night. Everyone survived. Without green room, everyone died from the green room. An alarm is going off. Go outside and check it out.
Pizza.
Woo! Come out! Plucky Mart. It's Larry. Do you see Larry?
Yeah. Why are you walking like that? Do we go into the sewer?
Yes.
What? You nasty.
Don't fall. If you fall, that's Robux.
Dang it.
Oh, this kid! Should I save him for dirty my energy?
Yes.
But that's
Save
my
him.
energy I gotta sacrifice.
Save him now!
That took 30.
Yay.
Wow.
Ah! Oh! How do I get back up?
I
Save
have
me,
to
save
save
me!
you. You better not fall again. I literally have like no more to spare.
Okay.
Error. Ding 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 ding.
Is that
It doesn't
part of
work.
the game?
That's part of the game.
Okay. Because I thought my laptop was breaking.
It's Larry! Fight Larry!
Oh! But it says run!
Yes, run. Don't fall, okay? Because I really have no more HP to help you.
Okay. Oh,
See, Larry's a ninja.
where did he
He's
go?
a shinobi. Everybody knows that. Wait, he has minions! Stop! Help! Die! 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 You're making me extremely angry! Doesn't run!
Your face is all beaten up.
Oh yeah. It's okay. It's just a love punch. Get Larry! Mob him now! So we gotta break 3 of his hearts, and we gotta dodge him this entire time. This is brutality.
What the?
Sounds like you can do this, right?
Yeah, this is like Dungeon Quest.
She can't! Noob!
Why?
Come over to the edge.
Ah, what a bad idea!
No!
I'm still alive.
I have nothing to spare. Oh, it's a win! We got him. Yo, yes. We did it! Scary Larry has been defeated. Wait, we got the good ending.
Again. Yeah. You do it. You do it.
This is the best I got. I don't have that.
You don't have to.
I don't have it equipped on me right now.
Okay. Okay. Watch me do it again. I'm flexing it. Yeah.
Hey, sponsored by Lay's, guys. Sponsored by Lay's. Everybody go grab a bag of chips and Lay's. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what other